Hey, it's Chris from StorageChain. Today, I'm going to give you a demonstration on the different types of searches we can do in the StorageChain AI Connect product. Simple file name, keyword, and even semantic searches we can do inside of StorageChain itself, and then some more complex generative type of searches that we can do on ChatGPT or Claude or Gemini. So basically the way this works is if we go over to our AI Connect product, and we're going to go ahead and log in. So this is going to load up our AI Connect product page. And if you can see here, I've indexed multiple Gmail accounts, 1, 2, 3 Google Drive accounts. We've got a Slack account. We've got a Microsoft OneDrive. Amazon S3 and Microsoft Azure are, more sort of archive type storage, but we've connected all these different storage platforms to our AI Connect. And let me just show you how this works. So if we're going to go ahead and do a search, StorageChain press releases for 2026, or we'll take a look at press releases for 2025, for example. So what the StorageChain search does is it's going to go out and pull all of the StorageChain press releases from 2025. This works as a file name search, a keyword search, and a semantic search. So if you're just looking for a document which is scattered across your enterprise, everything has been indexed into a vector database, vector embeddings we have created, which basically extracts the metadata from these documents and makes it easily readable for AI front ends. And it makes it permissions aware as well. So these are the important things. So if I wanted to take a look at a more complex query, all we have to do is we go over here and connect our StorageChain plugin, which is on our plugin list here. To find the plugin, super easy. You go over here and you search for StorageChain. I mean, this is really how easy it is. And then you just add the plugin here. So that's all you have to do. I mean, it's just simple. So I'm going to go over here. I ran this query a minute ago, so we don't have to wait. Depending on how tough the query is, it can take a bit of time. But I asked ChatGPT, give me an overview of all the StorageChain press releases for the past 2 years and their significance in the company's evolution, with links to the PDF files on StorageChain AI Connect or in their original location. So basically, 19 different StorageChain announcements going back over the past couple of years. This is what ChatGPT will do, and it'll connect you directly to the document which is sitting on your permissions aware account. So in the example of, let's go down here and take a look at this one, cross-layer connecting Microsoft AWS and Dropbox. Okay, so if I want to click into this release from ChatGPT, it's going to open a link up in a new browser tab. And this is going to take me to the Microsoft Cloud release here. And it's very helpful here. You can see the path of where this is. So this is on the Chris Dominguez OneDrive StorageChain. This is the file folder path. And we have sort of another overview. So this came from SharePoint. I can download the document here, or I can just preview it as well. So really what we're doing is pretty amazing. You can do the lighter weight searches. When I say lightweight, I mean, this is still very, very powerful search inside here. Or you can do the sort of heavier lifting AI type searches from ChatGPT. By the way, this works on the free version of ChatGPT. You can plug in a connector that will the free version lets you have one connector, and StorageChain is awesome because we've connected, in this example, nine different storage cloud accounts. So ChatGPT can look at one connector, connects you to all the account. The other thing that's great about the vector database is it takes Chat and Claude less processing power when they're hitting a vector database for this information versus a regular one, which means that you burn less tokens if you're actually using the AI front end. So we've indexed all the data in an organization. We've made it searchable where you don't have to pay anything extra. And we've connected it to all these AI front ends to do the spectacular AI type of queries that we all know that ChatGPT and Claude can run. Anyway, just a quick update on how this all works and why it's so cool. Thanks for your time.